Today topic is application to triangle. Trigonometry helps to calculate the correct angle for the triangular support. Also, the trigonometry envisages the builders to correctly lay out a curved structure. For a right angle triangle, any two information with at least one side, say SS, side into side, SA, side into angle, are the sufficient to find the remaining elements of the triangle. One is side, another one is side angle. If any three elements with at least one side of a triangle are given, then the law of sines, the law of cosines, the projection formula can be used to find the other three elements or angles. Okay. Now EX number 3.10. Determine whether the following measurements produce one triangle, two triangles, or no triangle. Angle B is equal to 88, side A is equal to 23, side B is equal to 2. Solve if the solution X is given. Side A is equal to 23, side B is equal to 2, angle B is equal to 88 is given. Formula: A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. Take first two terms. A by sin A is equal to B by sin B. Cross multiplying, we get sin A is equal to A sin B divided by B. Now A is 23, sin B is 38 degree, so sin 88 degree divided by B is 2. Now cancelling 23 and 2, we get 11.5 into sin 88. Using the table, sin 88 degree is 0.999. Multiply 0.999 into 11.5 is 11.49. Angle A lies between -1 and 1, but in this case 11.49 is answer. Therefore, it is not permissible. Okay. If the sides of the triangle ABC are AC equal to 4, B is equal to 6, and C is equal to 8, then show that 4 cos B plus 3 cos C is equal to 2. Given A is equal to 4, B is equal to 6, C is equal to 8. We know that the cosine formula cos B is equal to C square plus A square minus B square whole divided by 2C. Here C is 8, so 8 square. A is 4 square minus 6 square whole divided by 2 into 8 into 4. 8 square is 64. 8 square is 64 plus 4 square is 16 minus 6 square is 36 whole divided by 64. Now adding 64 and 16 gives 80 minus 36 is 44 divided by 64. 44 can be written in the form of 4 into 11 whole divided by 4 into 16. 4 cancel, we get 11 divided by 16 cos C. Next similarly we have to take cos C is equal to A square plus B square minus C square whole divided by 2AB. Now apply ABC, 4 square plus B is 6 square minus C is 8 square whole divided by 2 into 4 into 16 plus 36 minus 64 whole divided by 48. 16 plus 36 is 52 minus 64 is divided by 48. So minus 12 divided by 48. Cancelling, we get minus 1 by 4. LHS equal to 4 cos B plus 3 cos C. 4 into cos B result is 11 divided by 16. So apply 11 divided by 16 plus 3 into cos C is minus 1 by 4. Now 4 is 4, 4 4s are 16. So 11 divided by 4 is answer. Plus into minus is minus 3 divided by 4. Same denominator. Therefore, subtract 3 from 11. We get 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 is our triangle ABC. If A is equal to root 3 minus 1 and B is equal to root 3 plus 1 and C is equal to 60 degree. Find the other side and the other two triangular angles. Given A is equal to root 3 minus 1, B is equal to root 3 plus 1. These two are sides formula. And C is angle, so 60 degree. We know that the cosine formula using the side and angle, C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. A square is root 3 minus 1 whole square plus B square is root 3 plus 1 whole square minus 2 into A is root 3 minus 1, B is root 3 plus 1 into cos 60. Root 3 minus 1 whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB model. 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 plus A plus B whole square model. So root 3 whole square is 3 plus 1 square is 1 plus 2 into AB. Root 3 into 1 is root 3. Cancelling these two, 2 root 3. Remaining part 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 minus A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. Root 3 whole square is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 8 minus 2 is 6. Take square root on both sides, we get C is equal to root 6. Sin formula A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. Take first and last. A by sin A is equal to C by sin C. Cross multiplying we get sin A. Sin A is equal to A sin C divided by C. A is root 3 minus 1. C is angle C is 60 degree. Therefore sin 60 degree whole divided by C is root 6. Now root 3 minus 1 divided by root 6 into sin 60 is root 3 divided by 2. So root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 into root 2 into root 3 divided by 2. Root 3 cancel. We get root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Now multiply numerator and denominator by root 2. We get root 6 minus root 2 whole divided by root 2 into root 2. 2 2's are 4. So denominator is 4. Numerator root 6 is 2.4 minus 1.414 is root 2. We get 0.035 divided by 4. Sin A is equal to 0.25. 0.25 in sin column, sin 15 degree. Taking sin inverse on both sides, we get A is equal to 15 degree. Take sin formula second and third. B divided by sin B is equal to C divided by sin C. Cross multiplying we get sin B. Sin B is equal to B sin C divided by C. Is equal to B is root 3 plus 1 into C. Angle C is 60 degree. Therefore sin 60 degree whole divided by C is root 6. Root 3 plus 1 divided by root 6 into sin 60 is root 3 divided by 2. Root 3 cancelled. Root 3 cancelled. We get root 6 means root 2 into root 3. Root 6 means root 3 into root 2. So root 3 cancelled. We get root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Now root 3 is 1.732 plus 1 is 2.732 divided by 2 into 1.414 is 2.818. 0.9660 from the table. We have sine of 105 degree. Take 0.9660 using the crux table. Sine column, sine B is equal to sine of 105 degree. Taking sine inverse on both sides, we have B is equal to 105 degree, A is equal to 15 degree, C is equal to 60 degree. We know that sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. From the condition, B is equal to 180 minus A plus C. So angle A is 15 degree, angle C is 60 degree. Adding these to 75 degree. 180 minus 75 degree is 105 degree. This is angle B. Sum number 4. In a triangle ABC, prove that the area of the triangle is equal to B square plus C square minus A square whole divided by 4 cot A. Take RHS. B square plus C square minus A square divided by 4 cot A. B square plus C square minus A square divided by 4 into 1 by cot A can be written in the form of tan A. 1 divided by cot A. So tan A. Now B square plus C square minus A square divided by 4 into tan A means sin A by So b square plus c square minus a square into sin a whole divided by 4 into b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc, cancelling b square plus c square minus a square, and 4 means 2 2s are 4, 1 2 1 2 cancel, we get bc into sin a divided by 2. This can be written as half into bc sin a. Half into bc sin a means area of the triangle abc, so LHS. Next, sum number 5. In a triangle ABC, if side A is equal to 12 cm, side B is equal to 8 cm, and side C is equal to and angle C is equal to 30 degree. Two sides and one angle is given. So S and A, using the theorem S and A, two sides and one angle. So given A is equal to 12 cm, B is equal to 8 cm, and C is equal to 30 degree. We know that the area of the triangle ABC. The last sum result 1 by 20 AB sin C. Apply A side, B side, and the angle C. We get 1 by 20 12 into 8 into sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree already known, result 1 by 2. Cancelling, we get 24 square. So area of the triangle ABC is equal to 24 centimeter square. 6. In a triangle ABC, if A is equal to 18 centimeter, side AB, side A is 18 centimeter, side B is 24 centimeter, and side C is 30 centimeter, then show that 3 sides are given. Then show that its area is 216 square centimeter. Given side A is equal to 18 centimeter, side B is equal to 24 centimeter, side C is equal to 30 centimeter. Area of the triangle ABC, using the formula square root of S into S minus C, S minus B, S minus C into S minus C, S minus B, S minus C equal to square root of S into S minus C, S minus B, S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. A is 18, B is 24, side C is 30, whole divided by 2. Adding numerator, 72 divided by 2 is 36. This is S. Area of the triangle ABC is equal to S into S minus C into S minus B into S minus C. S is 36, 36 into 36 minus 18, 36 minus 24, 36 minus 30. So 36 can be written in the form of 6 into 6, 18, 6 3s are 18, 12, 2 6 are 12 into 6. Now 6 into 6 into 6. Next, 4th place 3 into 5th place 2 is 6. Then 6 and last 6. So how many 6 are there? 6 6s. So taking square root on both sides, we get 6 into 6 into 6, 216 square centimeter. Number 1. Solve the right triangle or the right angle triangle. Angle ABC in which angle C is equal to 90 degree, angle A is equal to 30 degree, and AB is equal to 8 centimeter. Solve the right triangle. So you have to find the side AB and the angle B and C. Okay. Now sum number 2. Solve the triangle ABC in which angle A is equal to 25 degree 30 minutes. We know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. 25 degree 30 minutes, and angle BC is equal to 90 degree, and the angle AB is equal to 10 centimeter. Any doubt? Reply the message. Thank you.